Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the Total Quality Management course. Today we are going to discuss about the quality function deployment. In last class we discussed about the strategy planning, quality planning, and today we are going to discuss about the quality function deployment. In introduction, this quality function deployment was developed in Japan by Yoji Akoo in 1960s. This helps to ensure the customer requirement are met in the design phase. It is a tool that will solve the customer requirement in starting itself. So it also integrated the customer voice as into a product development. So this is the thing that but starting to end the product reaching to the customer, which emphasize the cross-functional team involvement. So it is the main thing of this objective to translate voice of the customer into the engineering specification. So it is directly connected with the customer to the product development team, which ensures the customer satisfaction and their needs, requirement, and any feedbacks and any updations and required in the particular product. It also improves the design quality of the product. Also it makes the innovations which can be required by the customer side, or the things can be changed in the design stage itself. They can also reduce the late stage design challenges which will in the third or fourth stage of the product. So it also promote team collaboration among the department so that it can be become a very good component of the product. The major benefit of this thing is to better alignment of product design with customer expectation. It also improve the product quality, life, reliability, and so on. One more thing, it is reduce the time and cost of the product development, so that it helps to prioritize the features based on the customer needs. It also encourages earlier problem reduction and resolving the solution, uh, helps to have getting the product in customer satisfaction. The four phases of this quality function deployment is: one is product planning, second one is part deployment, third one is process planning, and production planning. In product planning, it has a house of quality. There it involves all the things of the product, so starting to end the planning. Next, the part deployment, the translate design to the part. Here only the engineers takes the drafting to CAD model to real production of the part. And process planning, it involves a defined manufacturing process, how to make the product in manufacturing unit, where the traditional or non-traditional manufacturing process can be used. All the things come under the manufacturing process involves in the process plan. And coming to the production planning, here the quality control and productions, all the planning is related to these things will involve. Now coming to the voice of the customer, here the inputs are getting from the customer, capturing the what customer needs intentionally, and expectations can be derived, and it has to a different method, and having like getting surveys, feedbacks, interviewing to the customer, focusing on the age group, like it is after the students or the young age or other thing. Also, it need to prioritize based on the important ratings by the given by the customers. Forms are the basis of all quality financial deployment activities can be done and getting all the inputs. This voice of customer is structured starts from what if or what is, what are the needed, what can be changed from the what's in the quality function deployment matrix is comes. So, in coming to the house of quality, it is a most widely used tool in the quality function deployment, where the translates voice of customer into technical design requirement, includes customer requirements, technical requirements, relationship matrix, competitive analysis, and so on. And saying one more thing is to adding the importance of ratings plays a vital role in the quality of house of quality. So components of quality is like customer needs, engineering characteristics, relationship matrix, correlation matrix, and target value. Here what the customers want, how they to meet them, strength of the correlation between the what's and how, the asking question from the customer, maintaining the relationship between the customer with correlation with how it can be done, and targeting values for each technical requirements, what are the target can be achieved. This all comes under the house of quality. The part deployment converts engineering specific specs into the part specification requirement. It identifies the critical part affecting the performance of the product or helps to design detailed specification of assembly and sub-assemblies. It can bridge gap between the design and the pronouncement of the product, basics of the selecting materials and supply. So in process planning, which determines the manufacturing process to develop product in a elegant manner, which is the critical part to be addressed. In select machining, welding, coating, brazing, or other machining parts can be done in the process planning, which ensures the product capability aligning with the part requirement. The tools used in the process planning is FMEA to assess the risk of the product, which helps in creating process flow diagram. So coming to the product planning, here the ensure the quality control during mass production, which establish the control charts, specs and the inspection methods can be derived, which defines the tolerance levels and error proofing systems can be taken, which focus the defects prevention. Also, it trains the workforce to follow standard procedures in the organization, which helps to plan in the production line. Coming to the real life example, let us take the Toyota. They are the good in all the TQM strategies and plannings, all implementation and this thing. Toyota use this quality function deployment for the vehicle design planning, which captures over 50 customers' needs of fuel efficiency, safety, comfort, elegant design, ambient, cost, and everything they have captured around the 50 customers, which translate with 35 technical requirements, which improve the first time quality and reduce the recalls. So resulted in fast production launch, the higher customer satisfactions are concentrated by the Toyota, and this is one of the great achievement by the and car industries by the Toyota. Next, coming to the challenges in the quality function deployment implementation, any quality strategies or the planning or execution is likely to face the difficulties in the organization. The time consuming and resource initiatives is the early stages are to be done. Need accurate customer inputs, not the fakes or the rating based one, which require the cost departmental coordination, complexity increase of large products, so that difficult without the quality function deployment software tools can be accessed. Now coming to the software tools for quality function deployments, one is quality function captures, Axlora, Blueprinter, and the SAP quality function deployment software, which helps you automatic the matrix creation and the updations, which enables a team collaboration in real-time applications, integrates with CAD and product PLM tools. Useful for large and complex product design, these softwares can be adapted or useful in the quality function deployments. In conclusion, so today we learned about the quality function is for customer focused design tool, which helps to ensure the right product built in the first time itself, not for the later stage. Earlier stage itself, we can do the right product, which derive the cross-functional teamwork and better discussions can be done among the team and the customer. This idea for companies amazing at quality excellence and innovation. So widely adapted in automotives, manufacturing, electronics, and software industries for this quality functional deployment tool. So here we are concluding. We will see in the next class. Thank you.